Judge,
All right.
Judge, I sent it to you too.
Thank you so much. It already came through.
Okay. I meant to ask you if you were ready for me to start, but I touched it before.
Oh, no. It's okay. I was ready for you to start. I appreciate it.
All right.
Attorney Seth, oh, there he is. Okay, cool.
You're at the actual.
All right. Now calling the matter, good morning. Now calling the matter of the People versus Christian Zamora. This is ticket SP 1466898, count 1, equipment violation, improper or unauthorized equipment. Count 2 of that same ticket is careless driving. Count 3 of that ticket is equipment violation, exhaustive noise, muffler horn, or exhaust. Excessive noise, I apologize, excessive noise. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alexandru Salar on behalf of Christian Zamora.
All right, and is your client going to be present today for this hearing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you have the authority to act on his behalf?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, how are we moving forward? Have you spoken with the prosecutor?
I have spoken with the prosecutor. My understanding is that the police officer did not appear by 9:30 this morning, and that they're unable to proceed. So we move to dismiss this the case, Your Honor.
All right, the time is now 9:37 a.m. This matter was set on my docket for 8:30 a.m. No officer being present, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Tell your client if he's carelessly driving not to do such behavior, please, okay?
Understood. I've leaned into it quite a bit over this one, Your Honor.
I'm sure you did. All right, so just let him know, okay?
Will do.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Of course. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. All right, your next attorney, you got a beautiful smile too. Thank you. You're always so cheerful. I appreciate it.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate the compliment. Thank you.
No problem. All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Isam Yusuf. This is ticket SP 146756661. One count speeding, 31 miles plus over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good morning, Judge. For the record, Marie Garian on behalf of the defendant, and I do have authority to proceed on his behalf. He will not be attending.
All right, thank you so much. Now I see this matter is set on my docket for, let's see.
It's an 8:30.
Is it 8:30?
Yes.
Yep, 8:30 a.m. How are we proceeding with this?
Judge, I have talked to the prosecutor who spoke with the officer, and on behalf of my client, I would plead responsible to the added count of limited access speed 6 to 10 over, a 1-point offense. And the prosecutor indicated that there's a better driving class that the court can give me information on, and my client is to take that as well.
Okay, all right. So I'll have to get you that information. Did you understand? Okay, I have to get you that class, but at this time, do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of limited access, 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. The fine for that is $135. Your client has 14 days to pay that. So that brings us to August the 23rd. August the 23rd. The better class, driving class. If you could. All right. You ready to take down the address?
I am, Judge.
www.
Yes.
Better driver S at the end. I mean Z at the end. So better BETTER driver DRIVERZ.com.
The last letter after driver is D like in dog.
Z like in zebra. I apologize.
Okay, Z.
I know I wasn't speaking clearly.
No, they all sound alike. Especially
Yep.
my age, yeah.
Listen, I understand, it's not your age, it's this. So if there's nothing further, though, you are all set, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too. Have a great day, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Judge,
Yes,
her P number started with a 1.
I didn't even notice.
Yeah, I tried to get your attention, but I guess you couldn't hear me. It was on mute.
Oh,
Amazing. She looks great.
she looks fantastic. I was gonna say, I didn't realize it was a 1. I mean, she practiced across the street for a long time too, and I don't know if she does as much work across the street anymore, at Third Circuit, but yeah, she's been practicing for a while. You can tell her temperament is very
Yeah.
even keeled, patient. She has great patience. It's not do it right now. Listen to me. So,
Judge, her hemline was above her knees.
or was it?
There you go. And it looked, she rocked it. Yes, yes, she.
I love it.
The person who just joined us, what's your name, please? The person who just joined us. What is your name? Robert Williams? Robert Williams. The person who just put your phone on mute, your device is titled Vortex HD65. Can you hear me? Vortex HD65. Can you hear me? Please take your phone off mute. Robert Williams.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sorry I'm late, Your Honor.
Please turn on your video.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes. Can anyone hear me?
This one right back. Person with the shirt on, what's your name, please? The gentleman with the white shirt. Gentleman with the t-shirt. What's your name, please?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Dennis Wood.
Dennis Wood. Okay, just one moment. Mr. Woods, I have you checked in. Mr. Woods?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. Put on a shirt
Like I'm outside trying to get the best signal I can.
Mr. Wood, let me ask you this. If you were coming down here to court, is this the attire that you would adorn yourself with this morning?
I'm sorry, what you say, ma'am?
I said, if you were coming down physically to court to see me, is this the clothing attire that you would select to look like for me?
Absolutely not. I was actually in the process of I had been waiting like a long time. So I jumped in the shower, and then as soon as I came to my phone, you were there. So it was almost like my mama. I'm like, oh, I just grabbed the phone real quick.
So we're gonna change your name. You're gonna listen to the court reporter, and she's gonna put you in the breakout room. When you're in that breakout room, I need you to make sure that your attire looks court appropriate by the time you come back in here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Ann.
Okay.
We're putting on a different shirt. Would you please take the do-rag off your head?
Yes, ma'am.
I told him he can do it in the breakout room. So just put him in the room so that they can be talked to. He'll do it in the room. He'll change it around.
I'm doing it right now.
Robert,
Yes.
are you Robert Williams?
Yes, I'm Robert Williams. Yes.
Okay. Please put your phone on mute. Okay.
Go on mute.
The other gentleman, your device is called Vortex HD65. What's your name, please?
Emmanuel Williams.
Emmanuel Williams. Just one moment. Have you checked in, Mr. Williams? Mr. Williams, can you
Okay.
camera, please, and test level?
My bad. I couldn't hear you. It's like my volume messing up, but I hear you. Okay.
Okay, your camera, chest level. All right, thank you very much. And put your phone on mute for me, please.
Huh?
Put your phone on mute.
Oh, okay.
Okay, gentlemen, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's a place where you'll be able to speak with the attorney about your case. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Brockman, I didn't know you were here.
Already done. They're both in there. I did notice somebody else came into the meeting.
No, they're in the, Deidre Young is back. She's in the in the waiting room.
Emmanuel Williams. Okay. Would you, Mr. Williams, press join for the breakout room? Are you there? Emmanuel Williams.
Deidre Young?
Here.
Is there a hand?
Yes, here.
Okay, is there a reason that you want to present your case?
Yes, I'm here.
Ms. Young? You were,
Yes. Yes, I'm here.
okay, and you left, right?
Yes, I somehow, yeah, he told me I was out the breakout room.
You've talked with the attorney?
Yes, he said he's ready for court now.
Good, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. Try not to log off of Zoom, okay? Don't answer the phone. Don't make a phone. Right,
Okay. Thank you.
thank you. Good morning, ma'am. What's your name?
Danielle Young.
Okay, Ms. Young, I have you checked in. Ms. Young, would you do me a favor and remove your hat?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No worries, you're good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ms. Young, I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney about your case.
Okay,
All right, thank you.
you're welcome.
What is going on?
Williams.
Yes, I was just in the breakout room, but then my connection dropped. So
Did you ever get a chance to talk with the attorney?
no, we were in the middle of talking and it cut out on me.
Okay, which one were you in?
I forgot that fast. I'm sorry.
I was speaking with Mr. Williams, if
Oh,
that helps.
Oh, good. Okay, where do you want him to go, Mr. Lamb?
Wherever you send him, I'll follow.
All right. Okay, he's gonna go to number 2. That's number 2, Mr. Williams.
press number 2. Okay.
I understand, but I'm in court.
Hello, sir. What is your name again, please? Take your phone off mute.
Emmanuel Williams.
Hi, Mr. Williams, is there a reason you left Zoom?
Huh?
Is there a reason that you left Zoom?
My phone froze up and it's turned off.
Yeah, because your reception is very bad. Your connection is terrible. Is there any place else you can house?
Huh?
Is there any place else you can go so you can get better reception?
Hold on. Is this good enough?
Let's see. Better now. Which breakout room were you in?
I don't even remember. I didn't even get the chance to do it because it just hung up.
Have you spoken with an attorney?
I think it was
No.
21.
Hung up.
I'm sorry, what did you say, Mr. Bachman?
He was in, yeah, he never got to the breakout room.
Oh, really?
I placed him in 21.
Oh, sure.
Mr. Williams, my name is Harry Bachman, and it'd be my pleasure to meet you. I'm going to assign you into a breakout room. You need to check your screen. I'm going to send you a prompt now. Mr. Williams, are you there? Can you hear? Mr. Williams, are you there?
Mr. Williams, I'm going to put you in breakout room number 21.
Okay.
All right. Attorney, Balkman, I think you have Malachi Williams.
Ready?
Okay, I'm gonna bring him in first. I'm trying to get the segment here. Oh, nobody else is on the break. Officer Thompson?
How you doing?
Good to you. Good morning to you, sir. Mr. Zek did not check in to my knowledge, so I'm just gonna let you go. I didn't want to keep you in here, and he had not signed in, so he has not signed in, so you'll be caped.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming, and be safe out there, okay?
No problem, you as well.
All right, I will. Thank you. Malachi Williams? Malachi Williams?
Ma'am.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Go ahead, sit up like you in real court. Okay. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Malachi Williams. This is ticket number SP 1390656. Count 1, defective or missing equipment. Count 2, registration and/or plate violation. Count 3, defective windshield. Ticket SP 1390709. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 1390249. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, reckless driving. Count 3, excessive noise, muffler, horn, or exhaust. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, Mr. Williams, state your name.
My name is Malachi Williams.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Judge, I would also acknowledge the presence of Corporal Bennett. He checked in ostensibly for trial in this matter. My client is going to waive his right to that trial today. He's going to plead guilty. I've discussed with him the offer, and he's ready to make a factual basis here and now.
Okay. And Corporal Bennett is here. Sometimes he gets stuck in the breakout room because he's in another court matter, but he's signed in still on the computer. Sir, if you want to take advantage of this offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hands down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Balkman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No, ma'am.
You're not guilty?
No.
Sir, listen carefully to the question.
Are you taking this guilty plea because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had? You could have had a bench trial today. We do have at least one officer here, or you could have a jury trial. But if you take this plea, you're going to give that up. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir? Did you want to take this plea today, sir, or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of September 15th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Nissan vehicle in the area of Southfield and Pickford Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license not valid?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you also have defective or missing equipment at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied. I stipulate the probable cause as to all the matters being dismissed here. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display a valid operator's license, as well as one count defective equipment. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for the defective equipment is $120. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll have that one to 8/23/23. On the fail to display, my fine is $200. If I give you 60 days, is that enough time for you with that ticket?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'll make that due no later than October 9th, 2023. If there's nothing further, you are all set. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day. Jonathan Wagner.
How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Good morning, Attorney Lynn. How are you doing today?
I'm doing okay.
Okay, good. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jonathan Devin Wagner. This is ticket SP 1474341. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. I also have a ticket in warrant status. That's you, ticket 402-59517. This is one count in the park after dark. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Michael Lamb, P number 79816, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wagner, who's also present via Zoom. Mr. Wagner, will you please state your full name for the record?
Jonathan Devin Wagner.
Your Honor, this is a date and time set for a pretrial concerning the no insurance ticket. There was an offer proffered. I advised Mr. Wagner of his right to a trial. It's my understanding that he desires to avail himself of the people's offer, that is to plead to an amended count of improper plates. Your Honor, I was not aware of the matter that was in warrant status. I likely need to circle back around to the people and get an offer.
All right, that case will be dismissed if he's willing to plead to it today. If that's okay with him, Mr. Wagner, the offer has been extended to you that the In the Park After Dark ticket will be dismissed as long as you plead to the, well, in exchange for pleading to the other ticket as failed to display. Is that what he was gonna plead to, or was it improper plates?
Improper plates.
Okay, do you want to take that offer today, sir, and get rid of your warrant as well on that other ticket?
I only have one ticket.
Well, you have, it's a 2017 case from August 5th of 2017. I have an In the Park After Dark ticket. Do you remember receiving that, sir?
No, ma'am.
Is your date of birth is the year 1983?
Yes. I don't remember being in no park after dark. Never.
Let me see. It wasn't, well, it's kind of a park. St. Albans in Atwater, it's not a park, but it's a parking area over there. You know what I'm talking about? I know where it's at.
No, I don't remember that, ma'am.
Okay. Will it be dismissed today? Do you want to take advantage of this offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside of what I said today in exchange for this plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of July 4th of 2023. Sir, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of East Auto Drive and Caldwell Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yeah, no, I didn't have no insurance on it.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause with the remaining counsel be dismissed, the remaining ticket to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates, sir, in this particular matter. My fine is typically $200. Is that something you're able to afford, sir?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
Can I do 60 days?
We can. That brings us to October the 9th of 2023 when it's due, okay?
What date?
October 9th.
October 9th?
Yes.
Okay, now what's going on with this park ticket? Because I don't know nothing about
I
that.
just missed it.
Okay, thank you.
This is missed. Okay?
Okay, so October 9th, can I mail it in or do I have to bring it in?
So you can either physically bring it down to 36 or you can go online at 36districtcourt.org and put in your information and it'll bring up the ticket that you need to pay on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and you can pay it, you can start paying it and it doesn't have to be all at once, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. I'm bringing in Makila Watson. Ms. Watson?
Yes.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Makila Watson. This is ticket SP 1472089, one count, open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Michaela Watson.
Thank you, and good morning, Ms. Watson.
Good morning.
Judge, the defendant is continuing a not guilty plea. She asked for a waiver trial by Zoom. She has been advised.
All right, thank you. Ms. Watson, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial or a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 20th. October 20th at 9 a.m. Yep, write it down. October 20th, 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0. It is going to be via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
October 20th, 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Ms. Williams?
Yes.
I wish you would have told me yesterday that you had some more tickets, but you ain't know. You thought we might have called them all, didn't you?
I knew, but they had. Well, they had it. They had it. I went to see somebody else, and they set the date for today.
Okay. All right. Next time, let us know, Ms. Williams. When people have a lot, we just assume they pulled all of them. And I'd have set them for you tomorrow. So now we're calling the matter to the people versus Tamika Williams. This is ticket SP 1468382. Count 1, careless driving. Count 2, failed to use seatbelt assembly system. Also calling ticket SP 1468391. Count 1, failed to display. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name, please?
Tamika Williams.
Thank you, Judge. Defendant has an October 2nd pretrial. Can we put these matters over to that date and time, please?
Absolutely. So ma'am, I'm gonna put them all over to October the 2nd, same time, okay? Come back to my courtroom and we'll put all your cases together and give you a full resolution, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No, thank you, and thank you for coming back today. I appreciate it. I know you want to handle it, so we're gonna try and figure it out, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Ms. Williams. All right, take care, and I'll see you October the 2nd, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Corporal Bennett. Did he get called to another courtroom? He came out. Ashley Wilson.
Hi.
Good morning. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ashley Nicole Wilson. This is ticket SP 1440003. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name, please?
Ashley Nicole Wilson.
Thank you, Judge. I'm proud to tell you that Ashley Wilson has her documents. I've seen her valid registration and insurance, and I'm attesting to their validity as an officer of the court. Would you dismiss these cases for compliance? I stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation here.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Wilson, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm bringing in Ms. Weathers, Aretha Weathers. All right, Ms. Weathers?
Yes.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Aretha Weathers. This is ticket SP 1440918. One count, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket SP 1440913. Drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. I do realize that no proof of insurance is in default, Attorney Lamb, but appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Michael Lamb, P79816, appearing on behalf of Ms. Weathers, who's also present via Zoom. Ms. Weathers, please state your full name for the record.
Aretha Weathers.
Has there been some type of resolution? Yes, go ahead, Attorney Lamb.
Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to review Ms. Weathers' documents. She did provide a valid insurance and registration. I communicated the same to the people. As such, we are respectfully requesting that these matters be dismissed and will stipulate the probable cause.
Thank you very much, Attorney. With that being said, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentations for these matters. Ms. Weathers, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set, okay? Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right. With John Wilkerson next. For you, Attorney Lamb.
That's me.
Okay. Mr. Wilkerson. Now calling the matters of the people versus John Williamson. This is B ticket 130479, harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 130480, harboring an unlicensed dog. B ticket 130481, failed to vaccinate dog. B ticket 130482, failed to vaccinate a dog. B ticket 130483, continuously tethering a dog. B ticket 130484, continuously tethering a dog. B ticket 130485, tether a dog using anything but a coated steel cable. Ticket number B130486, tethering a dog using anything but a coated cable. B ticket 130487. Tethering a dog in the wrong way. B ticket 130488. Tethering a dog in the wrong way. B ticket 130489. Tether a dog without proper shelter. B ticket 130490. Tether a dog without proper shelter. B ticket 130491. Tether a dog without securing food or water source. Tether B ticket 130492. Tether a dog without securing food or water source. B tickets 130493 and B ticket 130494 are tethered dog in an open area that does not provide protection. B tickets 130495 and B ticket 130496 tether a dog in an area that is not suitable for a dog. B ticket 130497 and B ticket 130498 tether a dog without a swivel equipment. And B tickets 130500 and 130499 fail to prevent animal from engaging in nuisance behavior. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Michael Lamb, P number 79816, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wilkerson, who's also present via Zoom. Mr. Wilkerson, will you please state your name for the record?
John Wilkerson.
Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to speak to Mr. Wilkerson concerning these allegations. At this time, he is requesting that these matters be set for a jury trial.
All right. Do you have counsel, sir? Are you going to be able to get counsel for yourself?
No.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to get you counsel put into place so that they can be here to represent you for a jury trial in these matters. I'm going to set you to come back on, let's see, September the 1st. All right, to make sure that you have counsel. Make sure you have counsel in place. I need you to call the courtroom when this hearing is over. Do you have a pen to take down the number so we can get some personal information to get that counsel put into place?
Yes.
313-965-2293. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Call us so that we can get that in place. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. Once we have counsel in place, I can set a jury trial date. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'll see you on September 1st, but call the courtroom after this hearing so that we can get that information, okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right. You can sign off, Mr. Wilkerson. Corporal Bennett. May not be available yet. Hakima Winston. Unmute yourself for me.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Hakima Winston. This is U ticket 386-69217. This is one count flagging, soliciting for the act of prostitution. Ticket U 491-02718. This is one count smoking cigarettes at a gas station. Ticket U 491-02818. One count blade more than 3 inches in length. And U ticket 89075-612. Enter or remain on private property when closed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman. For the defendant, would you state your name, please, ma'am?
My name is
Ms. Winston,
Hakima Marie Winston.
hold on. Ms. Winston, you gotta stop moving. You gotta sit down somewhere
Oh,
where
sorry.
you stay.
I'm
I can
sorry.
see you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Doing a lot of anti-moving. It's making me nervous that you got something going on.
No, I'm at
All
home
right.
cleaning up.
So, Judge, the date and time for trial is today. It was actually supposed to begin at 9 a.m. I don't believe we'll be able to have a trial for the fact that a complaining witness has not appeared on any of the instant cases. And so I'm asking you here and now to consider a motion to dismiss these cases without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
All right. The time is now 10:36 a.m. No officers having appeared in these matters. The court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Winston, I hope you are moving in a different direction in your life, because I have all your tickets in my file, including the ones that are closed. Let's move in a different direction, okay? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Amen.
All right. You can log off, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye, ma'am. Timothy Williamson.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
calling the matter of the people versus Timothy Williamson. This is ticket SP 1376949. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please, sir?
Timothy Williamson.
Judge, these are matters that are here for arraignment. So for that purpose, please accept a not guilty plea from the defendant. You waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint. I'm asking you to dismiss the instant case, Your Honor, for a paid civil infraction that was part of the same transaction or occurrence.
All right. At this time, the court does see that he paid the civil infraction. So I am going to dismiss without prejudice this ticket. Sir, you are all set, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Appreciate it. You too.
I will, thank you. All right, I'm bringing in Jasmine Williams. You can log off. You can end the phone call, Mr. Williamson.
Okay, I can log off.
Yep, you can go ahead and log off, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Williams? Jasmine Williams? All right, you gotta actually engage, so you can't like look down at the phone, whatever you're doing up top, I can see it. So there we go. Fantastic. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jasmine Williams. This is ticket SP 1455062. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Lamb, P79816, appearing on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, will you please unmute and state your full name for the record?
Yeah,
You're still
unmute,
on mute.
ma'am. There you go. You see it?
Jasmine Williams.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Williams is requesting a bench trial. I have discussed with her the difference between a bench and jury trial, and she is making a knowing and voluntary waiver as it relates to the bench trial, Your Honor.
All right. If that's the case, Ms. Williams, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, you had an opportunity to talk to Attorney Lamb about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench or a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. The officer will have to present themselves on that date and time. You understand that, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 20th. October 20th at 9 a.m. It's going to be via Zoom. So the same way you came on, Ms. Williams, come on that day, okay?
You said 9 a.m.?
9 a.m., yes, on October the 20th, okay? I'm gonna
Okay.
set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'll see you then, okay, ma'am?
Yes,
All right, you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
thank you.
All right. Anisha Walker. Ms. Walker. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Manisha Walker. This is ticket SP 1424319. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1424318. One count, disregard signal red or amber. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please. Ms. Walker, can you
Oh,
state your name?
I'm sorry, Manisha Walker.
Thank you. This is a date and time for pretrial. The defendant and I have had an opportunity to discuss. She wants to waive her rights to any further hearing. She's going to plead guilty to the civil infraction, and that will be reduced here to blockading. That's a 0-point offense. That's what she wants to do. I'm going to, on her behalf, stipulate to the four corners of that complaint for the purpose of the plea here. And I also stipulate to probable cause for the matter being dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, counsel. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended count of blockading. The remaining count will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for blockading is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you, ma'am?
Yes, that should be enough time.
Sure, I can give you more time. You need some more time or no?
Yes, I need to like maybe the third week of September.
Okay, I'll give you until October 9th to have it paid, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Walker, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, okay?
Right.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Antonio Williams? Or Antoine? Is it Antoine?
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Good morning. Is Antoine?
Yeah, this is Antoine.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Antoine Martez Williams Jr. This is ticket number SP 1470781. Count 1, City Park closed. Count 2, indecent exposure. Also calling ticket number SP 1470780. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Williams, state your name.
Antoine Williams.
Thank you. Judge, these matters are here for pretrial. The defendant is going to waive his right to any further hearings. He's going to plead guilty here to the count ending in 781, count 2. The indecent exposure count will thereafter be reduced to disorderly conduct. The prosecutor asks that he attend the misdemeanor morality class, and he's willing to do that. He's also going to plead guilty to the no insurance misdemeanor, the first one on the docket, count 1, and that will be reduced here to improper plea. He's ready.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Can you repeat that?
I sure can. Did you have an opportunity or a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Can you repeat that?
I can. Are you taking this guilty plea today because you are guilty?
Yeah, I'm pleading guilty.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes. And due to any payments, like, do I have to pay on an exact date, or would y'all have to give me like 30 days or something?
Mr. Williams, you gonna do the plea first, then we can talk about what the fines and costs are?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Stop jumping the gun. Mr. Williams, stop jumping the gun. Just answer my questions for right now, okay?
Okay, hold on. I'm about to move out to another place because I can't really hear you in the hallway. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I was agreeing. I'm sorry. I was agreeing to what my attorney said I was agreeing to.
I know, but I'm asking you some questions. Did you give up your rights to have a bench or jury trial in these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all this, you still want to move forward, Mr. Williams?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 24th of 2023. Sir, were you in the area of Finkel and Carl Streets in the city of Detroit? It's a park. I said, were you in the area of Finkel and Carl Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner, sir?
Well, honestly, I was going to explain about that. I was about to say.
Wait.
Wait till you explain. Okay, all right.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I did it on purpose. Please forgive me, Mr. Williams. The purpose for the questions is for us to establish that you are guilty of the charges. I want you to be careful of saying things that would indicate that you're not guilty.
Yeah,
right?
so that's why I'm trying to stay on the same page, so I don't say nothing wrong. That's why I'm like, that's why I was telling her, like, whatever my attorney said, that's what I was agreeing to. But I know
Well,
she
listen, hold on 1 second. Just listen to the question carefully. It's a yes or no question, right?
Okay.
Your Honor, can you ask the last question again, please?
I can. Sir, at this location, did you act in a disorderly manner?
Yes.
Satisfied.
All right. Did he also not have any car insurance on the vehicle at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied to both counts.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to 1 count amended disorderly conduct, 1 count amended to improper plates. The remaining 3 counts will be dismissed, sir. Okay, Mr. Williams.
Yes.
Let me ask the attorney first. Should I let him explain or should I just go forward at this point?
I think we just go forward without the details.
Okay. Thank you. All right, Mr. Williams. So they're requesting that you take a misdemeanor morality class, okay? I know there is a cost associated with that, as well as I can either do a fine for that ticket or do community service. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other ticket, but I'm gonna have to do something on this ticket, okay? So I'll give you some time because you are gonna have, it is a cost to the misdemeanor morality class, but do you want community service or a fine in addition to that? What do you want?
I can do my community service, ma'am.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 30 hours of community service, okay? In lieu of cost and fine. Like I said, though, when you call to get this class set up, know that it's going to be a cost to it, okay? I'm gonna give you some time to complete this too. I feel like you need some time. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 4 months, because I feel like you need a little extra additional time.
I mean,
So-
even if you're doing that, ma'am, I'm still gonna get that done before them 4 months, but thank you for giving me that
Okay.
time.
Okay, all right, I do. I feel like I'm gonna just give it to you a little longer than otherwise. Okay, so, I need you to take down this phone number. Are you able to do so, sir?
Yes.
313.
Hold on. I'm about to put it in my phone, ma'am.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Three one three. 313.
965.
313.
965.
965
3414.
3414.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So call them and they'll tell you how you can take that class that you need to take. You're gonna come back and see me on December 11th at 8:45 a.m. to make sure you've taken the class and done the community service. Okay, ask them about community service too when you call that number, and they'll transfer you to the right person, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you're all set, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. All right, sir. Good luck to you. I'll see you soon. Miss Waller? Sarah Waller?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Sarah Janice Waller. This is ticket SP 1440269. One count supply false information and or ID to police officers. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Michael Lamb, P number 79816, appearing on behalf of Ms. Waller.
All right, Ms. Waller, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sarah Waller.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Waller is requesting a bench trial.
All right, that's fine. Can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
You said yes?
Yes.
Okay, and it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna set it for the date of October 20th. October 20th. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It's via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay.
You need to write that down, Ms. Waller?
No, I haven't.
Okay, all right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye. I have, so, Dondro Watson Jr. Mr. Watson Jr. All right, how do you pronounce your first name, sir?
Tadario Watson.
Tadario, okay. All right. Counsel, some of the is this yours, Attorney Lamb?
Yes, it's mine.
Okay. I'm gonna let you know, some of these tickets may not be on the docket only because, I have some tickets in warrant status I'm gonna call, okay? All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Tadario Watson Jr. This is ticket SP 1474280. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive while license suspended. Count 3, failed to signal. Ticket number and warrant status SP 1359340. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, in default is no proof of insurance. And ticket number 707205. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Mr. Watson, I need you to find a spot and sit there. Hold on a minute, Attorney Lamb. I need you to find a spot and sit there for me, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, go ahead, Attorney Lamb.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Lamb, P79816, appearing on behalf of Mr. Watson, who's also present via Zoom. Mr. Watson, will you please state your full name for the record?
Dario Anthony Watson Jr.
Your Honor, this is a daytime set for pretrial and hearings in Mr. Watson's matters. At this time, Mr. Watson is requesting that these matters be set for jury trial and is requesting court-appointed counsel.
All right. All right, sir. You want to set these for a jury trial? I'm going to have you sign back in, put this date down, September 1st. September 1st.
September 1st.
Yep, but I need you to call the courtroom so that we can get counsel assigned to you. Are you ready to take down the number?
Hold on.
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right. 313-965-2293. Okay.
Okay.
Call us at noon, okay? Because we're still trying to get some stuff together. And I'll see you back right down the 1st of September at 8:30 a.m. so I can make sure counsel is assigned, and then we can pick the jury trial date, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll set the bond at $0 on these matters, and I'll see you then, sir, okay?
You said call this number at noon today?
At noon today, yep. Call that number at noon today because we just need a moment to finish up some morning stuff, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Watson. And I'll see you back September 1st to make sure you have it. But if you don't call, I won't be able to get counsel assigned, okay?
Okay. September 1st, call at noon.
Yes, please.
September 1st at what time? 8 o'clock?
8:30, 8:30. Thank you for asking.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, you're all set, sir.
8:30.
Yep. I appreciate that.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm okay to
You're
leave.
good. You're okay to leave.
Thank you.
All right. Where your person go? He was just on here. All right. You ready? I need you to get closer to the box for me.
Okay.
On the wall. All right.
He's calling you right now. Are you on Zoom?
Mr. Wasson Miller?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matters of people versus Jalen Allen Wasson Miller. This is ticket SP 1452677. Ticket SP 1463674. Ticket SP 1199-701. Ticket number SP 1398732. SP, nope, yeah, yes, SP 142482441. SP, or not SP, 2173618. Counts 1 and 2. Ticket SP 1484087. Counts 1, 2, and 3. And tickets number SP 1205474. Count 1. And ticket number SP 1257899. These matters are here today for a pretrial. Attorney is in courtroom. Attorney, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian Brown, P80560. Print on behalf of Mr. Jalen Allen Wasan Miller, who was present. Mr. Wasan Miller, please state your name for the record.
Jalen Washington Miller.
All right, this is the date time set for a pretrial. As your client, we had to print out additional tickets, Mr. Wasan Miller, for today's hearing. Don't say anything, just know that. Okay, counsel, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, we would like to set these matters for a bench trial. And hopefully we can try to resolve it before. If not, we'll proceed on that particular day.
All right, so he's gonna try and talk some more to the attorney, but until then, we're gonna set it for a bench trial. Let me tell you this, Mr. Wasan Miller, if you get tickets after today's date, it's not gonna be included in that global resolution. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, so can you please raise your right hand for me, sir?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, when you look at your docket, I know it's going to be hectic. October 23rd, what's that?
October 23rd, probably gonna be in a murder trial then.
Okay. What is the week before? I do have the 20th, but I had.
It starts on the 17th.
Okay, so.
And it was expected to last a couple of weeks per the prosecutor.
Okay, so let me ask this, is the week before that week a good week? Or
Yeah, the week before, the week of October 9th, that should be a good week.
Will you look at October the 11th for me real quick, Mary, and see? We can do better. Yeah. October 11th, does that work, counsel?
Yes, that works.
Okay, October 11th, Mr. Wasan Miller, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 unless you've paid anything on it, and those will remain in place. All right, the ones that don't have any money will be put at $0. It'll be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome. All right. Thank y'all. I'm gonna continue on. Danielle Young. Miss Young. It is. Ms. Young? Yeah. Danielle Young? Okay, I'll bring somebody else in. Corporal Bennett, have you returned to us yet or no? I want to release you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here. I've been waiting. I'm sorry. I had a.
Okay, and we handle both of your matters. They both pled, so we're all set. I was trying to get your attention to let you know.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
You're welcome, you too, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Emmanuel Williams?
Yes.
Okay. Is that yours or Attorney Lamb?
That was mine, Your Honor.
Okay, now calling the matter of the people versus Emmanuel DeCarlos Williams. This is ticket SP 1473221. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, tinted windows. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, would you state your name?
Emmanuel Williams.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant's going to waive his right to any further hearings. He's going to plead guilty. There's a recommendation that if he pled to the driver's license offense, that would be reduced here to failure to display a valid driver's license, a 0-point offense. He would pay a fine for that ostensibly, and then the other 2 counts would be dismissed here. He's ready.
All right, that's the case, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will or your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention, sir, back to the date of July 2nd of 2023. Were you in the area of Greenfield and Plymouth in the city of Detroit driving a Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied, and I stipulate to probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, failed to display. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I probably just need I get 2 months, 60 days.
Yes. So I'll give you until October the 9th, okay?
Huh?
October the 9th. Do you hear me, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
October the 9th.
Okay.
Okay? October 9th is when it's due, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, sir.
Me too.
All right. Have a good day. All right. Miss Young, unmute yourself.
Yes.
All right. I saw you start the video too. All right.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Danielle Rochelle Young. This is ticket SP 1460228. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name, please?
Danielle Young.
Judge, we just would like to come back at the next available date. The defendant has documents that she's not able to show us today, but she can show us on the next date if you let her come back.
Okay, you have them already, ma'am? You just don't have them with you today?
Yes, I was at work and I was running late, so I forgot everything.
Okay, what day, is there a day you don't work in the morning or you work every day?
I work every day except the weekends from 6 to 4.
Okay, what day do you want to come back? Because if you just have some documents, I can try and make that happen sooner than later.
I know I will be off September the 8th. I will be off because I have another court date. So if that's fine, I could just do it all in one day.
Is your other court date in person or is it online?
It's in person, but it's not going to be that long.
Okay, what time is that one? Do you remember? I'm sorry I'm asking so many questions. I just want to make sure.
It's at 9, but I normally be out of there by 11 o'clock.
Okay. All right. I will do it on the 8th. Sign in at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to put a note to have it, you send in, tell them that you need the email address. Can you access your chat? Can you send in the compliance documents? That way I can just dismiss it that day if you have it in compliance.
You talking to me?
Yep, yes, I'm talking to you. I'm gonna send you an email text message. Let me know if you get it. You're gonna have to save it and write it down, okay?
Okay.
All right. I don't see your name.
Oh,
Okay.
are you?
Okay,
Are you?
I'll send you an email address right now.
Yeah, that should be.
Okay. Would it appear on my screen when you send it to me? Okay, I see it now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to click on it and screenshot it so I can have it.
Yep. Okay. Send me the documents before that day, so that way, if I have them in the file, I'm making a note.
Right. Yeah.
Sometimes you can be waiting for a moment on Zoom, but I understand what you're trying to do, so I'm just trying to make it a little easier.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right, so send the documents before then so I can have them in the file, please, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Young. I'll see you all September 8th, 2023. I said 8:30 a.m. Try and sign in early and I'll see what we can do, okay?
One question, it would be the same courtroom and login information?
Same
Okay,
information, okay? You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Is that him in the waiting room?
Yeah, that's big, because he said he got to go to work. B13, B10.
I don't know if everybody took it.
Because I was wondering who you know. Did he just get in?
Did we check in Robert Williams earlier or no?
Yes. I think he spoke to Mr. Lamb.
Yeah, I spoke to Mr. Williams.
Okay. Did somebody talk to Mr. Woods?
The gentleman on the screen, I spoke to him.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Dennis Woods Jr. This is ticket SP 1388995. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket SP 147149771. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court. Good morning, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Dennis Wood.
Judge, this matter is here for an arraignment. We will waive any more formal reading of the information complaint or warrant and stand mute for the purpose of the arraignment. We're asking for a pretrial date to return, please. Thank you.
Okay, sir. The pretrial date is October 3rd. That gives you plenty of time, okay?
Yes.
October 3rd, that's at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 unless you paid any money. Did you pay any money?
I wasn't aware or told to pay any money.
Okay, I'm just making sure, because then it'll be a bond in place. You would know if you paid some money. Bond set at $0. I'll see you October 3rd, okay?
Yes.
All right, you're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. You said you spoke to Robert Williams, Attorney Lamb?
I did.
Okay, I'm bringing him in now.
Is Vadra Young still here?
I tried to get her in, and so it dropped off. So hopefully she logs back in, and I'll bring her back in. So I tried to bring her in, but it was like just spinning. So it just happens sometimes. Okay. Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Robert Williams Jr. This is ticket SP 126077741. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Lamb, P79816, appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams, who's also present via Zoom. Mr. Williams, will you please state your full name for the record?
Yeah, Robert Williams Jr.
Your Honor, this is a date and time set for pre-trial. I've advised my client of his right to both a bench and a jury trial. It's my understanding at this time he is requesting a bench trial in this matter.
All right, you raise your hands, Mr. Williams. What's going on? You need to talk to him again?
No, but I was able to get a hold of credit acceptance, and they sent me a letter stating that my car was repossessed October 13th, 2021. So I'm not in possession of the car. I have it here. I could email it to you or something. But yeah, when we were in the break room, he told me to try and find some documentation. So I got on the phone with them, and then they sent this right over.
Okay, so it was repossessed on October the 13th?
Yes, 2021. Yes.
Okay. All right.
And Your Honor, so in my conversations with the prosecutor, she had communicated to me that she would be willing to dismiss these charges if Mr. Williams was able to provide evidence that he was no longer in possession of the vehicle.
Okay. All right. Mr. Williams,
Yes.
can you send me that email just so I can have it in my possession?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm gonna send you a text message. It's gonna pop up on your phone.
Okay.
And just send it to.
I'm on my laptop, so would it?
Okay, your laptop. It's gonna pop up on your laptop. Yep. And just forward it to just so I can have a copy for them.
Okay.
Did you receive it on the laptop? Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay, send it to that email address, please. And then the court is going to honor the request when you send the email, and I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice, okay?
Okay.
So just go ahead and do that. Waiting for Ms. Young to sign back in anyways, Attorney Lamb. If not, what were you gonna do off the record in this matter? What were you gonna do with Ms. Young, just so I know?
So Ms. Young provided proof of insurance, registration, all that good stuff. So the people were going to dismiss all of the counts against Ms. Young, accepting the speeding violation 26 to 30. They were though going to amend that to 1 to 5 miles per hour, limited access speeding.
Okay, let's finish this one, and then if she doesn't log back on, we're going to discuss this one, okay?
Understood.
Okay.
Okay, the email was just sent.
Okay, thank you. Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Williams, I'm in receipt of that letter, and it does look to be legit, so the court is going to, back on the record. I asked Mr. Williams, Robert Williams, to send the court the letter, saying that that car is no longer in his possession. I am in receipt of it, that, as of October 13th of 2021, he is no longer in possession of that Ford 2016 vehicle. So the court is going to accept the offer of it to dismiss this without prejudice. Sorry about that, Mr. Williams, but thank you for getting that documentation and sending it over to us, okay?
No problem. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, ma'am. All right.
That take us off YouTube?
No, 1 second. I'm gonna give her a couple of more minutes to sign in, Attorney Lamb. If she doesn't, then we'll just call it on the record. You spoke to her, right?
I did.
Okay. All right, Attorney Lamb, it doesn't look like she's signing back on. How do you want to move with these cases?
I guess I would, probably, I need to request an adjournment in these matters, Your Honor. I would just note that she was here. She did appear. I was able to talk to her. I don't know why she wasn't able to stay logged in, though.
Okay, sometimes she may not, her phone may have died or something and she just didn't realize it, so, okay. You can take us off YouTube, Miss Sandy.